Do you play any instrument as well?
Yeah, I play guitar and trumpet, but I prefer to sing. How about you?
I'm a guitarist, but also play the drums and sometimes the classic piano. By the way, what is your name? And what are you doing here?
Oh, cool. Maybe you could come and jam with my band. My name is Kartika. And you?
That will be great. My name is Joan. Nice to meet you, Kartika.
Nice to meet you too, Joan. Can I get your social media so I can contact you for the jamming session?
Oh, sure. This is my Instagram. Wait.
Okay, nice. Okay. Do you have any other activities besides music?
I am a student. I just finished class. I'm taking a break because after this I have music break for a service at my college at 5 o'clock. But usually I have daily schedule to teach music elementary school.
Oh, nice. So I guess you have to go. It's 4:45 right now.
I'm sorry, Kartika. I have to go. It's nice to talk with you, Kartika. See you later. Bye.